You can create professional videos with no experience. All you need is the CapCut app. Start by opening the app and tapping New Project. This opens your media gallery to choose clips. Select the videos you want to edit together. Tap the Add button to move to the timeline. Welcome to your editing workspace. Welcome to the editing bay. As you can see here in the preview window, we have our beach footage loaded up. We'll start by looking at the effects panel. Below that is the timeline where magic happens.
The vertical line is called the playhead.
You can slide the timeline to navigate your video.
Let's learn how to trim your clips first.
Tap on a clip to select it.
See those white bars on the ends? Drag the bar to shorten your clip easily.
Zoom out. The clip now appearing shorter on the timeline. This removes any unwanted parts from the end.
The playhead positioned in the middle of a clip. Now, let's try splitting a clip in half.
Look for the split icon on the bottom bar. One tap splits your clip into 2 pieces. You can now delete any middle section. Just tap Delete to remove the selected part. CapCut snaps everything together for you automatically.
Next, let's add some great background music.
Tap the Audio tab to see your options. Icons representing sounds, effects, and extracted. Choose sounds to access the built-in library. Browse through different genres to find your vibe.
These are the moments we live for, soaking up the sun and good.
Adjust the volume so it doesn't drown you out. Now we select the fade option for the music, and using fade out ensures a perfectly smooth ending. Now, let's add some titles to your video.
Tap the text icon, then add text.
Type your message right onto the preview screen. You can change the font to match your style. Pick a color that stands out from the background.
You can even add glowing effects to your text.
Pinch and drag to position your text anywhere.
It's so lovely to have you join me in the kitchen today. We're going to use these beautiful, fresh vegetables.
Tap that small icon between your video segments. This opens the transition menu for you. Try the mix transition for a classic look. A slider adjusting the duration of the transition. You can make the transition faster or slower. Want to add some extra flair? Go to Effects and then Video Effects.
From sparkles to retrofilm, there are many options. The city truly comes alive at this hour, and we're here to capture every moment of it.
Drag it to cover the part you want. Filters can change the whole mood of your video. Tap filters and swipe to find the perfect look.
You can adjust how strong the filter is.
Want to put a video on top of another? To use the overlay tool, simply drag your second clip onto the timeline above the main track, like this. Resize and move it just like you did with text. Once you are happy, it is time to save. Zoom in on the 1080p resolution button at the top right. Now tap the resolution button. You can choose the quality for your export. Tap the export arrow to start saving. Keep the app open while it exports your video. You can share directly to your favorite platforms.
Your masterpiece is now ready for the world.
You have mastered the basics of editing.
Remember, practice is the key to getting better. Download CapCut and start your first project today. Thanks for watching. You are now a video creator.